Hey guys, welcome back to the D&M Toy Club. We're going to check out our new toy tool collection today. And by the way, are you a clubster? D&M Toy Club clubsters always get really cool videos, but you got to subscribe. Hit that little red button right there in the corner, right where the drill is poking, right there. So today we are going to be learning colors with toy tool sets. Cool, from our kids' workbench. So let's take a look at our first color. Which color is this, guys? It's orange. You're right. The handle is orange. And the rest of it is gray. That's cool. Cool. What's our next color? All right, guys. The handle on this one is the color red. Red. And black. This screwdriver is red and black. It's also a flathead screwdriver, one of our really cool toy tool sets. The next one up is really cool. This color is peach. That's right, that's odd, it's peach, kind of like the fruit. And that part is gray. The part of the screwdriver is gray. Let's take a look at our next color. Which color do you think that is? You're right, it's green. The color green. And the other end of it is red. The part that's the Phillips screw head is red. So let's take a look at our last color. Which color is it? You're right, it's yellow. Cool, yellow. Yellow. The handle on that is yellow. And this part is gray. That's the part that makes the screws go inside of the wood when you're using a screwdriver. Cool. What do we have up next? Whoa, check out that power driver. That's our power drill screwdriver. That is really cool. It has an extra handle in the front. Look at it go. That power drill has the color black and red. Whoa, that's one of the coolest ones we've got. What's up next? Whoa, we're checking out our yellow colored Stanley power drill. The handle is yellow. Really cool. It's so lifelike. It looks real. You just have to pull back the trigger and it moves. That's really cool power drill. I wonder what we have up next, guys. Can't wait. Whoa, check out this one. It has the colors orange and green. That's kind of cool. It's really small too. Orange and green. We're learning some colors today on D&M Toy Club. Check this one out. This is the Black & Decker red power drill. This one has a battery in it. It's so realistic. Let's take a look at our next tool. I am super excited. Whoa, look at the handsaw. The handsaws cut wood. Let's take a look. But you gotta wear your protective gloves to be careful when you're sawing. Now let's take a look at a real saw in motion. Whoa, check out that saw. That's a real one. And when you use a saw, you're sawing. Watch what happens with the wood. It comes apart in two pieces. Pretty cool. What do we have up next? Pliers, Stanley pliers. It's also part of our really cool toy tool bench. Let's see how these pliers work. You can screw in the screw inside the wood with pliers. Let's take a look at our next tool. Whoa! Look at this real tool bench. Wow. That is awesome.
Tool gloves. And let's see what we got in our mystery toolbox. Remember, if you're not a club member of the D&M Toy Club, you gotta make sure you subscribe to our channel. How do you subscribe to the channel to see all the new videos? You gotta press that red button right down there. See that red button that says subscribe? That is the magic button to the Toy Club. Let's take a look. Here we go, guys. What's inside? Open it up. Ooh, we got an electric drill, but we've got more tool toys. Here they come. Awesome. Adjustable wrench. Cool. Whoa, calipers. We gotta love the calipers. All right, let's take a look at what we got next.
Hey guys, it is time for the D&M Toy Club. Let's go.
Here we go. What else we got? Ooh, we got a brand new electric drill. Electric drills are cool. This one's got a light on it. Awesome. Goggles. You gotta always wear your goggles to protect your eyes. Cool goggles. Those are orange. What else we got up? Whoa, that's a metal grinder. That grinds metal down and makes it smooth. Whoa, look at the construction trucks. Look out, coming through. All right, what else do we got? Some more electric drills. Tool toys, cool. Hey, there's an orange caliper, look at that. Ooh, double-sided wrench. Jackhammer. I think we've got some, oh, cool, lug nuts and bolts. Awesome. Woo-woo! Oh, yeah. Electric drill. Cool. What do we got up next? Surprise tools! Woo-woo! All right, check him out. We got a toolbox full of toys. I think we got a big old construction truck coming up. Bulldozer. Who likes bulldozers? If you like bulldozers, let me know in the comments box. If you're a fan of the bulldozer, check out those pliers.